WordPress and making money. And I will show you in this video 3 ways that you can use WordPress to make money online. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So if you have knowledge about something, you can create a course about this, and even if you have never set up a course, you can learn step by step by going to WordPressGears.com, WPGears.com. Here you will learn step by step how to set up everything. They have different courses here. They have podcasts, whatever have knowledge about, and that you think that people selling websites or whatever. So that is my first tips about making money with WordPress. Let's go to the second, which is going to sites like Upwork, freelancing. I should mention that you can learn everything that's on this page, your website set up in minutes, but let's now head over to Upwork. Free account, what you're really good at and why they should hire you, and when setting up a price when you're accepted into Upwork, then try asking for money on here. So don't go cheap on yourself like that. I should say that it's most easy for people living in America to get approved here, but you can be approved as well from other countries as well. Just make sure that you add all your knowledge and so on. Now, about asking for enough money for your services, many jobs done, so they are willing to pay. Now let's go to my third tips. Also go to a site like freedomwriting.com and sell blog posts, in fact, and get paid to sell your content. You can also have you can sell banners. That means that people can put banners on your blog, or you add the banner yourself and they pay you for that. So that's another way that you can use to sell blog post. But you can use to sell blog posts and room on your space on your blog is constantcontent.com. As you can see, this line between and then content.com. I hope you like this tips about making money with WordPress. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video. Now, would you like to have a website set up in minutes? It can be a e-commerce site and let you easily build funnels and get your own WordPress blog and get started for free. Then click the link below, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.